Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Super Mario games on PC. Start by choosing a legal game source and check system compatibility before downloading. Next, pick an emulator or authorized platform and follow install prompts carefully. Configure controls, display, and performance settings for smooth gameplay. I'll cover save practices, update habits, and basic troubleshooting tips to keep your sessions stable and enjoyable. To run Super Mario titles well, choose an emulator or licensed platform suited to the game era and your OS. Install recommended dependencies and optional shaders to improve visuals and performance. Configure controller mapping for comfortable play and test input lag to reduce frustration. Use community profiles when available to speed setup. I'll walk through choosing stable builds, adjusting graphics presets, and balancing quality. Optimizing settings makes a big difference for classic Mario games on PC, so start with a moderate resolution and disable demanding post-processing. Use frame caps and VSync if you see tearing or micro stutters. Tweak audio latency and input polling to improve responsiveness. When testing, change one option at a time and record results so you can revert easily. I'll explain quick tests, common fixes, and how to maintain stability for long sessions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.